Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up memorized transactions or recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online. To begin, make sure you're on the QuickBooks Online homepage. Starting from the home screen helps you follow the process smoothly and makes it easier to find the tools you need. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the account tools and setup options, including the area for recurring entries. From the Settings menu, select Recurring Transactions. This will open the section where you can create and manage templates for transactions that repeat on a schedule. Using recurring transactions can save time and reduce manual data entry, especially if you send the same invoice regularly. When the Recurring Transactions page opens, click New. This starts the process of creating a new recurring transaction template. Next, click the Transaction Type field. A list of available transaction types will appear. For this example, choose Invoice. This is useful when you want QuickBooks to help you prepare repeated customer billing on a consistent schedule. After selecting Invoice, click OK to continue. QuickBooks will then open the template setup screen for your recurring invoice. Now enter a template name. Choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of the transaction so it's easy to identify later. A clear naming convention can be helpful if you plan to create several recurring templates over time. After that, select the template type. This determines how the recurring transaction behaves, so be sure to choose the option that matches your workflow and scheduling needs. Next, select the start date. This tells QuickBooks when the recurring schedule should begin. It's a good idea to double-check the date here to avoid creating invoices earlier or later than intended. Then select the end setting. This defines when the recurring transaction should stop, if applicable. Depending on your needs, you may set an ending point or use the appropriate option for an ongoing schedule. Once everything is filled out and reviewed, click Save Template. This will store your recurring invoice template so QuickBooks can use it according to the schedule you set. That's it. You've successfully created a recurring transaction template in QuickBooks Online. Before finishing, it's always a smart idea to review the Save Template in the Recurring Transactions list to confirm that the name, type, start date, and end settings are correct. This simple check can help prevent mistakes and keep your billing process running smoothly.